You can see some snow-covered roads out there. This is the story that we have been seeing across the board. No matter which way we go, we are seeing snow-covered highways, main roads, and we can only imagine that the side roads are even worse.
And can we even point out the wind? You can even hear it while in that weather lab, and something that we were feeling even on heading into work here, Ron.
Yeah. No, certainly, and those winds are going to be with us all day long, and I think it's going to cause another issue. Even once the snow comes to an end later on today, what we are going to see is blowing snow, potentially blowing that snow that's already fallen all over the place, including on area roads. So what's going to happen for some folks out there, you're driving, everything's looking great, and then all of a sudden, yeah, you come up on some of that snow on the road, and things could change very quickly. So we're just saying, hey, be weather aware, know that those windy conditions are going to be here. It's going to feel cold, and you will have the chance that you could see those driving conditions changing very quickly because of the snow. Hey, let's talk about what's going on. We do have the winter storm warning in effect all the way up until 1 o'clock this afternoon. That's because of the several inches of snow that we've already seen fallen, and we still have a couple of hours to go with the snow falling. Some of the heaviest of the snow actually rolling into Pittsburgh right now, and we'll continue to see that heavy snow at least being possible all the way up until about 7 o'clock this morning. More spotty snow showers expected for the rest of the morning up until the time that that warning is expired. Now, a lot of times the warnings aren't just when the snow comes to an end, but it's also when road conditions are expected to be better as well. So basically this morning, probably want to stay off of those roads unless you just don't have a choice. And then this afternoon, things should be improving. But again, if you don't have to get out, why would you? Just let those road crews do what they do. Hey, let's talk about your warnings. We do have what we call a high risk right now when it comes to our winter weather of having an impact on you. Let's talk about what's the risk. Obviously, traffic is going to be slowed. A lot of snow. We also now have in the moderate range your wind speeds. They're picking up. Strong winds out there. Wind gusts could top 35 miles an hour later on today. At least the ice risk is going to be fairly low at this point. So that's certainly some good news. So we're going to go over to model data now, just kind of show you what we expect. Heaviest of the snow kind of wrapping up at around 7 or 8 o'clock this morning. More spotty showers coming in after that for the rest of the day is what it looks like at this point. Just be aware of that. Hey, do you want to build a snowman? Well, if you do, things shouldn't be the best, at least this morning, but I do think we'll go from the yellow starting to be into the green. More moist, wet snow by the end of the day today. Peak snow building time, snowman building time, probably is going to come in on your Tuesday and Wednesday should be the time. Look at all that snow coming in right now. Temperatures this hour, 28 degrees. Snow is coming down at this point. Do want to point out those winds. Doesn't seem too bad right now out of the west at 9 miles an hour, but they will be picking up. Feels like the wind chill down to 19 right now, but it will be into the mid-teens most of the day today. Here's those temperatures for you. Irwin 26. Good morning in Greensburg 25, 32 in Cranberry, Aliquippa 31 in Washington at 27 degrees. High temperature today about 29 degrees expected. And as we quickly go over, show you both the temperature in black, the bright blue is the wind chill. You can see just how cool our day is going to be overall. Here's your 7-day, even colder weather heading our way as we're heading into the weekend. I have your Friday temperature waking up down to 3 degrees, a high temperature of 27 on Saturday, and a Sunday high coming in at 32 with a little bit more snow in the afternoon.